Hey there, this is Mike from Mike Buys Houses. We were recently speaking with a homeowner this week who was asking about the capital gains on inherited property and what kind of implications they would have. And so we just wanted to share the conversation that we had with them with you guys. So the first thing that we told them was obviously that we are not CPAs and this is not financial advice, and that they should speak to a local CPA in order to get the best idea of what they can expect to pay in capital gains. But what we did discuss was that in general, when you inherit a property, the day that you inherit the property, the fair market value at that time is, say, $100,000, and the house was originally bought for $30,000. So when you inherit the property, it's considered a step-up basis. So now the property was basically bought for $100,000 in the mind of the tax law. So you aren't taxed on that previous appreciation that you weren't able to make any benefit from. So if you then sell the property for $110,000, that $10,000 difference in the fair market value on the day that you inherited it versus the sales price is what will be vulnerable to capital gains. So it's a much smaller amount than you would maybe expect if you were considering, oh my gosh, this house was bought 25 years ago, and it's appreciated so much, we're going to get crushed in taxes. So you're actually luckily able to avoid that by what's called a step-up basis, and that is again when the property is basically reassessed in the eyes of the taxman to the day that you inherited the property. So again, you should definitely speak to a local CPA to get a clearer picture of your situation, but we just wanted to share that information. And we do offer services as we buy houses one of two ways, cash or terms, which means that we're able to help in any situation, any condition, and we can actually help you if there is going to be a big capital gains in your situation. We can help you spread that out by buying your property on terms. So if that's something you're interested in learning more about, feel free to visit us at MikeBuysHousesPA.com or give us a call 267-984-4765.